Hello besties, welcome back to Down for Glam and another nail video on my channel. It has really been a long time and I have missed you guys so much. I have missed playing with nail stuff so much. I am wearing gloves today because, not just because my nails look like shit, they do, but also because I'm going to be using some acetone right now, and I really don't want to get it on my skin. I've been in the desert, so my skin is dry and needs extra attention and love, especially on my hands because there's been, you know, amping up of hand washing, and I hope that you are taking the precautions that you, need to take. That was drippy. Okay, what we're doing is just using this acetone to remove all of this gunk. Some of these things were given to me by my granddaughter. She had a bunch of nail stuff, and I kept the things I wanted and got rid of the rest, which was mostly just the nail polish because I don't really work with polish. I work with gels, and they were pretty old and crusty dusty, and I was just not really wanting to do that. So what she gave me, let me move some of these things out of the way. What she gave me was this little dotting tool, which is kind of a fat dotter, so that's kind of nice to have a fatty, right? Then she gave me these, which I had to send her a snap and be like, "Grr, what is this?" Because your Emma doesn't know. She calls me Emma because that is what she said when she was a baby, and it never changed. So to her, I'm Emma. So she sent me a message back. This is not a voiceover either, by the way, guys. This is just me chatting with you because I miss you and I just want to chat, okay? So anyway, I sent her a message on Snap and I'm like, "Girl, what is this?" And she told me, and I was like, "Oh, I can't wait to play." So we're going to play. And what they are magnets. And you see how there's a design in there? Oh, I feel like, oh, I've got it on my fingers. Or maybe this acetone is making this sticky. I don't know. I'm sticking to this. I'm sticking to this. But everything she gave me had a coating of nail polish on it. So what we're doing now is just taking a quick second and cleaning this up because you can't work with dirty products, right? We're just going to give everything a quick wipe. Let me get that red off there that I actually put on there. There we go. Okay, and so I thought we would use these things to just do a look today. Just the things that she sent me, plus some of my own nail polish. She had magnetic nail polish, but we have magnetic gel polish, so that's what we're going to use. And I was thinking, oh, it's so hard to pick. Maybe we'll try a couple and see which one we like the best. And then we'll do some stamping and dotting on top and make a pretty nail. That's going to be our first video back, you guys. It's just one little nail and a chit-chat together. A little chit-chat. Got some coffee here. Whew, the smell of this acetone. It's distracting, I tell you. If you're wondering, how does Gigi feel about her granddaughter leaving her nail supplies so dirty, I have to say I'm really disappointed. But she's young. What are you going to do? Look at all the flotsam and jetsam coming off here. Oh, I love that there's a little seahorse. I might be able to get an under the sea look out of this and some, oh, look, this could be an octopus, right? This give me an idea for a set for myself. And this could be a little starfish. I think I've got some stuff on some plates of my own that might help too. But today we're going to do something a little more. Okay, that is a lot of acetone. Let's try to wipe that off. just a little more fun. It's been a while since we did anything together. Oh, wow, okay. I thought that that was not turned on, but it was turned on. I forgot that it turns off by itself after a little bit of time. Wow, this is really dirty. Shoot. Granddaughter of mine. This is why you always clean your plates before you put them away, guys. It's just so much crap. I'm just going to need to throw some directly on there. There we go. And this is a very scratched up plate too. This has not been well loved. But, okay guys, that's why you need a storage situation for your plates. Can't leave them banging around. Let this be a lesson. All right, guys, I did go ahead and speed up the rest of the video, and we're going to have voiceover Gigi from here on out. So that black was the Model 1's black. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just paint this black real fast. 3D, 9D, 15D Galaxy Cat Eye polish. They all have their number D, and none of them are, you know, it's not 15D, it's not 9D, it's just metallic so that you can use a magnet. Which, it's fine, call it what you like. It does sort of make a 3D effect. I'm playing with these little magnets. Ooh, there we go, that popped in. Now I'm not going to actually keep this one. And I'm sorry I was going off camera. Just a tiny bit. That's a recurring theme here on the channel. And you can see that was actually kind of pleasing, and I wish I'd kind of kept it. But what I did was sort of dry brush it. I didn't, you know, like try to add more product. I just tried to dry brush it. And we're going to come in and try another one. And again, I'm sorry. You're just going to see my gloves. And this one is working, but not as good as the stripey one did. But you can definitely see there's some swirls in there. And I will come back on camera. There we go. Sorry about that. Hey, first video back. We are out of practice here. Now I'm coming in with a little bit of a stamp of a butterfly there. And I like it. So what we're going to do is add a little dragonfly. We're going to stay with the buggy theme here. And sorry, the rest of the video really got messed up. So this is what we came up with. I added a few dots, top coated it, and this is the granddaughter gave me some stuff nail. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Mwah! Bye-bye.